and welcome. This is a breaking news story from the University of Akron's Chemie Department. Oil refining is booming in Ohio, from the various extraction sites to the refineries. Now here's some more information.
Here is an overview of the oil refining process by Lindsay Eichinger, Susan Kaya, and Ariel Painter. Crude oil is a naturally occurring product that comes from the extraction process. It consists of a mixture of thousands of complex compounds, which are mainly hydrocarbons with traces of nitrogen, sulfur, oxygen, and various materials. The oil extraction process first includes creating a drill site and then building a drill rig. Some examples of drill rigs are land-based drilling rigs, coiled tubing drill rigs, and jack-up drill rigs as shown on the right. After a drill rig is built, the engineering team drills into the ground using an array of techniques that will be mentioned on the next slide. Then the drilling well will be evaluated and filled using casings. This is to ensure the safety of anyone in the surrounding areas. Some drilling techniques that are used today are horizontal, multilateral, and extended reach drilling. Horizontal drilling starts with a vertical well turning horizontal within the reservoir rock in order to expose a more open hole to the oil. Multilateral drilling allows producers to branch out from the main well to tap reserves at different depths. Extended reach drilling allows producers to reach deposits great distances away. The images on this slide shows the setup for horizontal and multilateral drilling. Ohio has many sites for oil extraction. Utica shale reserves are being used for natural gas and oil extraction. As you can see from the map on the right, the dark circles represent the Utica well permits administered in April 2013. The drilling sites are more concentrated in northeast to central Ohio.
There are 4 refineries located in Ohio. The first one is located in Canton, and it's owned by Marathon Petroleum Company and produces about 80,000 barrels per day. The second one is located in Lima, Ohio, and it's owned by Husky Energy and produces 158,400 barrels per day. Toledo has 2 refineries. The first one is owned by both BP and Husky Energy and produces 160,000 barrels per day. The second one is owned by PBF Energy, and it produces 170,000 barrels per day. Next, we are going to discuss the physical process of refining crude oil. First, the hydrocarbon compounds, which is the crude oil, is separated based on physical characteristics including boiling point and solubility in selected solvents. They are also separated without causing chemical reactions, and the distillation process causes no change in the hydrocarbon structures. Next is the chemical process. The chemical structure of hydrocarbon molecules are altered. The molecules are rearranged to obtain desirable properties. The size of the hydrocarbon molecule is also changed. Several small molecules can be combined into larger ones, or large molecules are broken into smaller ones. Impurities are also removed, such as metals and sulfur. This simplified drawing shows many of the refinery's most important processes. Some of the hydrocarbon molecules include gasoline vapors, LPG, naphtha, kerosene, medium weight gas oil, and heavy gas oil. These hydrocarbons undergo further changes to produce the products sold, which include LPG, gasoline, jet fuel, diesel fuel, motor gasoline, industrial fuel, and asphalt base.
Thank you, Susan and Lindsay, for all that wonderful information on the oil refining process. This has been an important news update from the University of Akron Chemie Department. Thank you and good night.